Welcome! In this channel, we explain automotive terms. A hubcap is a decorative disc on an automobile wheel that covers at minimum the central portion of the wheel, called the hub. An automobile hubcap is used to cover the wheel hub and the wheel fasteners to reduce the accumulation of dirt and moisture. It also has the function of decorating the car. Different types of hubcaps could fit your specific application needs. Hubcaps are generally made of plastic in today's world, but they have the visual appeal of alloy wheels. Metal hubcaps are nearly obsolete, they were the previous standard. They have been replaced by plastic versions by most car makers and will cover manufacturers. Clip-on hubcaps based on attachment are one of two main choices. They slot into a groove already created for hubcap attachment for quick installation. Another hubcap type depending on attachment is the popular bolt-on hubcap. This version includes bolts and lug nuts that can lead to less secure attachment if not installed properly. To keep your hubcaps in good condition, we recommend that you clean them regularly. Rinse your hubcaps with a garden hose to remove most of the dirt and let the hubcaps dry. Clean the hubcaps with a suitable product using a stiff bristle brush. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code eraser by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.